Hi again. This is Ding Dong, and I'm gonna share this to you because of ano ba? All the things happened to me personally and how I kumbaga conquered yung mga pinagdaanan. And ito yung gusto kong mai share sa inyo. O ito, share. De, in life, hindi naman natin kailangan really na mga flowery words or good words whenever we face challenges, struggles, or hardships, no? And bonus, kung merong ganon, may mga taong sabi sa atin ng mga ganon. But I've come up with the realization na some people, ang gusto lang naman talaga is someone na mag-acknowledge nung pinagdadaanan natin. Someone who will have the empathy and support sa atin, not to kumbaga i-deny or not to ignore the feelings, the emotions na ini-invest natin doon sa pinagdadaanan natin. And I think yun yung dapat nating wino-work out every time that kapag may kakilala tayong may malalim na pinagdadaanan. It's not always na dapat ganito yung ginawa mo, dapat ganito yung gawin mo, ito kasi dapat yan, ganito kasi dapat yan. Some people, ang gusto lang nila, maintindihan sila. Yakapin mo sila, give them time to explain, give them time to express, and siguro yun yung one lesson na gusto kong i-share to you na it's all about giving support through empathy and giving support through not just words but also the comfort of listening. So, to all people na merong mga struggles today and to all the people na merong matinding pinagdadaanan, I just want you to be reminded that may support always be there for you. And sana, kung ano man yan, malampasan mo, in order for you na malampasan yan, you just need to focus and tell yourself. Kasi available yung good words, available yung support, acknowledgement, yung empathy, pero it's always you. It's you na pipili if you want to move forward. So,